should buy myself everything. Wine tastings. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, well this is where you buy jams and stuff, I guess. Oh. Look at the price. Is it? Does that say it can take away 4 pack? Doesn't say maybe beer on it though.
$24.
I just want a single one.
Well, my 400 fruit of it.
Oh look, it's a treasure hunt. A treasure hunt. Oh, they're jams.
One's jam, one's preserve, and one's chutney.
Hey, oh, we want a chutney. Do you want to try a chutney? It's peach chutney though. Apricot jam, quince preserve.
There's dark cherry, rosemary, and verjuice preserve.
Oh, sounds interesting. Yeah, and she comes up with all of these herself too.
People will probably treat that one nice so it tastes good because it's made by them.
Yeah, probably. What even is that?
This is a measuring cup.
Oh,
All measuring cups.
shop copy. Recipe for life. To reduce your chances of Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's is in my family. Oh, that's cute. Maggie's harvest. How much are the packs?
Well, they've got
Oh, they're
paste,
25.
a whole paste collection. Gravy.
I really want like a tomato relish.
Tomato chutney.
We need a tomato chutney. Probably. Dried tomato, garnishing, and roasted garlic preserve. Burnt fig jam. Dried mustard pear, apricot jam, quince preserve. Quince apple cider vinegar, extra olive vinaigrette. Moroccan spice, honey, and Dijon vinaigrette.
Get all 3.
Yeah, but they're smaller, aren't they? Oh, maybe not. They're about the same.
Yeah.
So you're only really saving like $1.
Yeah.
Raspberry, pomegranate, cordial. She makes cordials.
And you can get all of them. $50. Oh yeah, here's the tomato chutney. Tomato and salt chutney.
Apricot jam, dried peach chutney. Oh, what's in these packs? What is in them?
Oh, you just
Oh,
and it comes with the oil.
Yeah. Maybe I'll keep that in there as well. Oh, look. I've got a birthday.
Comes with a whisk, verjuice,
I don't know what that is.
Maggie's apples. Kilo bag for $4.
I will. Oh, look, these must be like her cookbooks that she's used or something. Yeah, I saw that. Oh look, $12 get. Oh, we're gonna get those. Can you like?
She does earrings too, apparently.
Oh no, that's not her.
Oh.
A local artist.
Sorry, Maggie, didn't mean to say.
Oh my god, where's mine? There it is.
Oh, you can get Maggie beer hoodies.
Really?
No, the eatery, all the way green, all the way to the left of the corner.
Alright, I think I need one. Yeah, we'll go. I want to walk through over there.
Oh, shit.
Cool. Can my camera see that? Yep.
Oh, they got a massive, like, rotisserie for over a fire.
Oh yeah, to cook a spit and the pizza oven. And it used to just cruise around the house.
Okay, wait, hear me.
Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you liked the video. If you do, give us a like, hit the thumbs up button. If you want to stay up to date with our latest videos on tips and hacks and mods and upgrades to our caravan, you can hit the subscribe button and you'll be notified when we have a new video that we've gone up. And you can also see us on our website, biglaponabudget.com.au. You can find us on Instagram. You can also find us on Facebook. Thanks, guys. See you next video. Stay safe. Bye for now.